Received a WI document from a Korean business partner and nothing on your system recognizes the format? Hangul is the go-to word processor across South Korea. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you reading these Korean word processing documents. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading WI, file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. WI files are word processing documents created by Hangul Word Processor, also known as HWP from Hancom Inc., the dominant document creation application in South Korea. They contain formatted text with full Korean Hangul typography, support embedded images, tables, charts, and complex document layout structures. WI files are word processing documents created by Hangul Word Processor, also known as HWP from Hancom Inc., the dominant document creation application in South Korea. They contain formatted text with full Korean Hangul typography, support embedded images, tables, charts, and complex document layout structures. Windows registers the WI file as an opener for Hangul Word Processor, HWP, developed by Hancom Inc. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows can preview many document types, but full editing requires dedicated document software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your WI file and choose Open With. Test Hangul Word Processor, HWP, first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your WI file will not open, do not worry. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, open in Hancom Office. Download and install Hancom Office or the standalone Hangul Word Processor from hancom.com. Open the WI file directly and the document renders with complete Korean typography, formatting tables, graphics, and page layout exactly as the author intended. Next, try LibreOffice Writer. Open LibreOffice Writer and use File, then open to attempt loading the WI file. LibreOffice includes partial support for Hangul document formats. Complex Korean typography and specialized formatting may not render perfectly, but basic text content tables and images should be accessible for review. Finally, convert to universal format. If you have access to Hancom Office, open the WI file and use File, then Save As, to export it to DOSX PDF or RTF format for universal compatibility. If using the free Hancom Office viewer, you can view the document with full fidelity and print to PDF as an alternative conversion method. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.